Hello, this is Chris from Paletech, and in this video we are going to learn how to add a Lottie animation to any section of our site using the Elementor page builder and the Elementor plugin. First, we need to go over to the left bar where it says plugin. We are going to click on add new, and on the search bar we are going to type Elementor. And this is the one we are going to use, the Elementor Elementor add-on. This widget, this plugin will allow us to add some extra widget, among them the Lottie Animation widget, but we can add some headers and footer builders too. So we are going to click on install now, and then we are going to click on activate. Then we are going to go to the top bar where it says the name of the site. We are going to click on visit site. And on the top bar we are going to click on edit with Elementor. Here we are. Now we are going to scroll down to an open section like this one. And on the widget search bar we are going to type Lottie. Well, this is the widget we are going to use. It will allow us to add some animation files and URLs from the Lottie files site. We can discover thousands of Lottie animations ready to use. If we click here, it will take us to the site. Well, the only thing we need to do is sign up, and we can download the file or copy the URL directly. And here we can use the file or the URL, as you can see. So we are going to add a file which I already have on the media library, and we are going to click, and then we are going to click on insert media, and we have our animation here, and it's set to autoplay, as you can see, by the default configuration. And we can add a link to the animation if we want. If we have a specific animation that we want to use as a link or to another section of our page, we can add a link here. This one is for example only, it doesn't have any purpose other than that. So we are going to disable the link, and the animation options, we can select it to go on reverse, set it out to place, and if we choose to deactivate the autoplay option, we have the star when visible option. So when I scroll down to that section where the animation is, it will start to play. And we can activate the loop and the loop count and the speed of the loop. We are going to disable the loop and the reverse, and we have render type SVG or canvas. Canvas, it will make it a little bit smaller. It will be, I think, is the best option for this kind of animation. And on cover we can select it to play, pause, or reverse. So we are going to choose play. So when I pass the mouse over the animation, it will start, and we are going to move to the style, and we have opacity, some CSS filter, and we have opacity for the hover. We can add some opacity, maybe 20% opacity, and the speed of the transition when I hover. So we are going to use 1 second, and it will have the 20% opacity. And the files are JSON files that can be found on the Lottie animation, and the URL can be used also. So once we have made all the changes we want to our animation, we need to save them by going to the lower left and clicking on the update button. So that's it. We have added our Lottie animation to any section of our site using the Elementor page builder and the Elementor plugin in a quick and easy manner. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on the site. See you the next time on Paletech.